Okay, here's J signal. Now J signal again is a this is our proprietary software that lets you know, that's based upon Fibonacci analysis, that lets you know where to buy and sell to the exact bar. What we have built in, if you look down here where this eclipse is down here, I have a built-in trend filter. A trend filter is automatically built into the J signal that works on NinjaTrader. What we like to do is, if the trend filter says it's in a downtrend, which it is, if the green is below the magenta here, the market's in a downtrend, then I only want to take shorts because the moving averages, the long-term moving average, which is the magenta, is below the shorter-term moving average. Is above, I'm sorry. So the longer-term moving average is above, shorter term's below, shorts. Well, I made it easy for traders. I have a big red triangle that pops up right here. This big red triangle tells me I got a possible trend change. What I've known over the past 20 years is that the market has serious inflection points when it changes trend. And when it changes trend, I want to take the first sell retracement in the market. And what we developed is right here is the first retracement sell will be the best time to look to go short. So what I've done is that my automated fib dots will pop up. I'm not concerned with blue dots. Blue dots are irrelevant. Those are the counter trend traders pushing the market down. If the 5-minute trend filter is in a downtrend and my red triangle is posting down, then or has positioned itself on the downside, I want to take the first retracement with a bullseye trade. A bullseye trade is a yellow dot that shows divergence, automatic divergence, over top my red Fibonacci dot. So on this gold trade, the first trade retracement after a red triangle was a bullseye short. And this works on all markets. This works on futures, forex, and all stocks. The same exact setup. There's your bullseye short. Okay? There's your bullseye short. Now, once you get cranking down, you can see another bullseye short worked again on gold. Okay? The market then trend changes. Look what happens. The market trend changes, but check this out. My 5-minute trend filter just crossed up. I want to take the first buy retracement to get in the market. Look how my fib dots called the low on that also. No bullseye with divergence, but it gives you the first buy on a retracement. If you want to take this long, you can take the first green bar reversal if you want to get long, if you so desire to do so. I prefer the bullseyes because the bullseye is just a red fib or a blue fib with a yellow dot in the middle. Those are very, very accurate on all markets. We had the same trade on the Russell 2000 this morning, same trade on the S&P 400, same trade on the DAX, huge shorts this morning, same exactly on gold. Look at this. Then we get the trend change, pops us straight up. This indicator is very sensitive to picking up these retracements. The key for you as a trader is to take the first retracement after a trend change. First retracement after a trend change with 5-minute trend. Both of these were first retracement trades with 5-minute trend. Both of them, the last two trades, we're ticking live now. The last two trades right here. Last trade, right there. First retracement, short. First retracement, long. 5-minute trend filter crossed up. Your stop is going to be no larger than a 13-tick catastrophic stop. You're then going to lower your stop 3 ticks below the swing low on buys, 3 ticks above the swing high on sells. That's going to lower your stop on a volatile market like crude oil and gold to an average of 9 to 11 ticks. I'm going to try to get a $400 to $600 trade by risking $90 to $110 per trade, period, even on volatile markets. You go down to non-volatile markets, what you're looking at, like on the S&P 400 per se, you're looking at around 5 ticks is where you're going to get in from the swing high, swing low. Your stop's going to average between 8 to 10 ticks on the trade. So you're trying to get 4 to 6 to 1 reward or risk trades, and I tell you the exact bar using my indicator where to get in with my trend filter.